another adventure. Going to go hiking today. It's a beautiful day, about 84 degrees. And we're going up on the Parkway. We're going to be doing a hike called Sam's Knob. And it's really close to Black Balsam Knob, if you're familiar with that. And it's in the Shining Rock Wilderness area. The highest point on the Parkway. We're at the Richland Balsam Overlook, and we're about to dig on some scones here. I just made these homemade scones yesterday from this recipe I got from this lady in Ireland. Eric's already helping himself. We've got some lemon scones and we've got some orange blossom. It's our sick ride. Now approaching the start of the trailhead for Black Balsam. There it is, ladies and gents. Notice how the pine trees stop right there, about the middle of that peak. It's very interesting. High winds. Lunch of champions.
Ready to eat your lunch, boy.
It's a Thai curry. It's kind of spicy. And probably not the best thing to have on a hot day, but it's actually freaking delicious. Eric's helping himself to a little bit more. Eric's having a good old time on the tree right now. He's riding like a horse. Ooh, look at this bridge. Isn't this so cool? The hills are alive with the sound of music. Sound of music. Right, Eric?
Yes.
This is a sick trail. Look how muddy it is. Definitely wear some boots. Like us pros here. Look at this. I'm scared. It's a little loose. I mean, you don't need me to get out and spot for this? This looks pretty hairy.
Yeah, get out. Spot me. that cool dude right there. Not me, it's the Jeep.